In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match Square transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your Square sales to QuickBooks and confidently match the deposits that land in your bank feed. Matching keeps your books clean, prevents duplicate income, and makes reconciliation painless. If you've ever seen a Square deposit that doesn't seem to line up with your sales totals, remember that Square often deposits net amounts after fees and refunds. That's normal, and we'll account for it as we match. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into the correct company file. From the dashboard, take a moment to glance at the bank accounts you'll be working with so you know where your Square deposits arrive. Having the right account in mind now will make matching faster later. If you manage multiple companies, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, go to Integration Transactions and connect Square. In the integration area, select Square and authorize the connection when prompted. You may be asked to confirm the Square account, choose a start date for importing, and map where things should land in your books. Pick a start date that avoids duplicating older entries you may have already recorded. Choose the bank account where Square actually deposits funds, and select an appropriate expense account for processing fees. If there's an option to import individual sales and fees, keep that on so QuickBooks can line them up with the deposits. Give the sync a moment to pull in activity, and then head back to your banking area. Now, open Bank Transactions. Select the bank account that receives your Square deposits and look in the For Review tab. Use the search or filter to find entries with Square in the description, or filter by Money In to focus on deposits. When QuickBooks suggests a match, click it to review the details. For Square, one deposit often represents many sales. Click Find Match if needed and select the individual sales that make up that deposit. The total of the selected sales minus any fees and refunds should equal the deposit amount. If you don't see the right sales at first, extend the date range a few days and try again. If there's no confident match, don't add it as a new transaction. Leave it for later and let the integration finish syncing. Once matched, review it under Categorize to confirm everything looks right. That's it. Connect Square in integration transactions, then match the deposits in bank transactions so your sales, fees, and deposits align perfectly in QuickBooks Online.